people. So today I'll discuss about current affair part of UPSC preparation. Uh, it is the most hefty part and most time consuming part, I'll say, and yeah, during the preparation. And actually, the more heft it create because of the vagueness of the current affair. Because everything under the sun is under the syllabus of current affair. So don't immerse yourself in that question. uh, the returns are not what your time will be investing. So what you do first, keep one thing in mind, that there's some informatics parts of the current affair, and then there is some basic part of the current affair, which is the basic part becomes the part of your syllabus only. You can see that okay, this is the current affair, and I'll be in this is I'll can in this part I can corroborate with my syllabus. For example, last year there was question on conventions, some the or some protocols or India's commitment. So this is the part which automatically you can corroborate with your syllabus. But there is another part of the syllabus, current affair, that is in pure information. Okay, how many seats increased, how many this and that you use that current affair. Basically, that the purpose of that current affair, you can where you can use it is in the means to substantiate your point. But in the prelims, I know it sounds very counterintuitive, but in the prelims, the importance of that current affairs that decreases, because if you know the basic, you'll be able to like relate and mark the correct answer. And if you're not able to trust me, then take the past few years questions paper and attempt it and see how many questions you are not able to attempt solely due to uh, the happenings of that year. You because it was the current affair of that year. I don't think so that would be the case. You'll be able to attempt it. You'll be at least you'll be able to see through the question that okay, this is from this part or this is from this part, and you won't be feeling that if this is something which I have not read solely because that was the current affair part of that year. So leave that informatics part. It is futile for as far as present concern. If you are able to like you are preparing basics, and if you are able to read that and like reinforce your information, that is good. Otherwise, for prelims perspective, that is very futile exercise to do. Yes, the part which is related to your syllabus, the current affair which is directly related to your syllabus, that is something worth giving time. So for that, I'll say you can take the compilations of coaching, and don't stress too much upon the information part, and read and see if you understood the concept, and if you understood what was the important part of the questions, the current that topic. Or what you can do, join a coaching, join a class, and they, because they segregate a topic, they'll make you understand the current affair, and then they will give some information, and then you'll be able to relate it. Okay, new for just to complete the current affair, don't read newspaper analysis daily. I think it's completely not worth your time. And uh, don't do the uh, exercise like on your own. Take the compilations and read them. Okay, if you are able to read them, if you are able to build your concept, otherwise join any coaching classes and do it from there. Thank you.